So this is the most simple, delicious, spicy meal prep what I've done so far. So easy. You just marinate the chicken thighs, leave them in the fridge, and then when you're ready, just put all the chicken thighs into a pan like this. It's 1 kilogram, put it into the oven and it's ready under 1 hour, and then you will enjoy it throughout the week. I'm going to definitely use 3 portions. Actually, this 1 kilogram of chicken thigh is 5 portions for me, for my macro ratios. Enjoy and let me know if you made it.